Dude, that was like funny. Wait, did you guys hear that? I heard something downstairs. Wait, hold on, Riley, get your flashlight real quick. I'm gonna put my phone down. Because we're gonna go check downstairs.
Wait, hold on, grab your phone.
Oh, okay.
I don't hear anything.
Wait. Dude, okay, I heard that. Okay, I thought I was just hearing things at first. Dude. Oh my god, bro.
Dude, what the fuck?
Dude. Oh my god.
Dude, that's so creepy.
Okay. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, God, please help us. Oh my god, dude. There's something down there.
Go this way.
Dude, it sounds like it's right around the corner.
That's-
Go around.
No. Go this way so it's not it pops out.
Yeah, alright.
Dude, something's... Okay, no, let's go this way. Okay, I'm... Dude, I'm so scared right now. Dude. Do you hear that? Okay. Oh my god, it's in the laundry room. Something's in the laundry room. Bro, I'm shaking. I'm so scared right now. Dude. Okay.
Do you want to go check it out?
We have to. I mean, your mom and sister are upstairs. It's kind of our job. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude.
Oh my god.
Okay, we have to. Oh my god.
So scared.
Dude, I'm so...
No.
No, we have at least a little bit.
Wait,
Why won't the light? Okay, turn the light a little bit. Yeah, no, a little bit more. Okay, stop. Okay. Dude, something's in there.
It stopped.
What the heck? Okay. Something's in there. Dude, no, should go over here and shine the light. Dude, what is that? Oh wait, shine your light over there. I can't. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, get over here. Get on this side. 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 What is that? Do you guys see that? I can barely see, bro. Dude, there's something. I don't know what that is. Wait, I can't see the face. I can't. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't. Oh my god. Dude, no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, what was that? What is that, Gabe? What was that? Oh my god. Dude, no. That's oh my god, that's demonic. Bro. Oh my god.
Dude, close. Dude. Wake up your mom.
Dude, you have to.
Mom.